got Moto Man, we will be fitting another carb to the mower as our first part to our race mower build. So first we will need to bring it into the workshop. The old carburetor has been sitting full of water for 10 years and is not worth rebuilding. Let's toss out this piece of junk. We found a key and carb laying around from an XR250. This is a quality unit. First step, let's make a cardboard gasket to suit the new carb. Once we have made the gasket, we can sit the carb onto the engine. Now we can cut some pipe to fit the carb to the mower's engine. Once the pipe is done being cut, we can screw the pipe onto the engine to fit the carb. We need to prep the carb before attaching it to the engine. Now we can fit the oversized carb onto the engine. We set up a basic throttle control to try it out. Everything started up perfect, and we got it driving. Putting out some serious power, bro. Subscribe else Grandma will be coming for you.